Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of goodies from Jamaica. Yes, my husband brought a lot of stuff. All right, so we're just gonna go over it quick because I'm going to work. All right, so here we have some cream crackers and some hot tea, Milo tea. We have some cinnamon buns and some buns. All right, he also brought some cheese. This is mostly from Easter time. We have some bread. This bread is really good, national. Right, yeah. And over here we have the good old pear. Jamaica, Canadians say avocado. This is a good Jamaican pear. Some tuna. So guys, this is the tuna I was talking about. We're gonna make some recipe with this. And this is some pumpkin, because me really can't get the good pumpkin. So this is some good pumpkin. My fever grass and some roast breadfruit. We have a lot of akis here, peanut cake, and then we have some seasoning, and then we have some Maggi vegetable stock, and we have some all-purpose seasoning. We have some sliced mangoes. Those gonna go in the freezer, and we have a big jug of coconut water. This is the newspaper, wrap it up. All right guys, so that's over there. Okay. And did I tell you about the peanut cake? All right. And okay, over here guys, you can forget the patties. All right, so we have two types of patty. The one with the mark is the chicken, and this one is the beef. All right, and I'm going to work now, so my husband gonna freeze them. All right, so this is a quick little video. I'll get myself to work now. All right guys, yeah, so welcome them to Canada for a little bit, and guys, I will go live, maybe do a mukbang, like some patties and stuff. All right guys, so that's it. All right, I'll see you later guys. So it's just a quick video, a haul. Maybe I'll put it together with something else. Oh, and we have some seasoning. All right, fish seasoning. What is seasoning name again? Some kind of funny name guys. I will write them in. All right. I don't remember what this one name. This is a fish seasoning and one other one. All right. Vesan, what is seasoning name again? Yeah, season to the bone. I don't know which one of them. I have to go ask Tamara. Tamara, which one of them are season to the bone? Alright guys. Wow, there you go. I'm going to work now. Oh, and these are some Andrews. My girlfriend Tamara want them. Good for belch the gas for upset stomach. You must have seen what this if you forget this. Alright. Alright. I'm going to work now. Bye guys. Woo! Cut already, just open. Yeah. Alright guys. This is the real Jamaican pear. Yeah, oh my god. From my neighbor's house. Lord of mercy. You see it thick and nice guys. Watch the look on pear. Add that name pear. Watch it. Open peel piece, let me see. Wow. So, turn it around. Nice. What's up guys? Good morning. So guys, this is my chicken patty. I may have 2 slices of bread. All right, we're just gonna do it like that. I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Sandwich it right there. So this is the avocado, or pear. Jamaican people say pear. My husband just cut it so dry, and I'm gonna have this. All right guys, good morning again. So I will be ripe. You well ripe? Better ripe, you know, because if you're not well ripe guys, you know it's gonna taste a little bit bitterish. So this is it. Patty sandwich. You can use cocoa bread. I have to go put up this. All right guys, I don't know what my head I cut off, but anyhow, let me taste this thing for you. Oh my, even tastes sweet. Real Jamaican breakfast guys. Me have to stoop down like this because and the camera stand me have it and me catch it up. Anyhow. It tastes so sweet.
This is very common.
Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating now. This is my little chicken patty and 2 slices of hard dough bread. What is national? You know, we can freeze some of my bread. Can we not eat it? Me not eat it like that. Easter. One hot cup of Milo tea now, guys. You can't really eat too much of the spear. I'll glide you. Nice with breading. Or butter.
I don't know what's in this. Okay, fleshy.
Trying too much fleshy. Alright guys. See you later.
Yeah, one thing I don't know what's in.
I hope I said come thick. Bye guys.